Hi everyone, I'm your host Dr. Rupa Sharma. I'm hosting another episode of Health Pulse Knowledge Series at Inamdar Multispeciality Hospital. Today with us we have Dr. Dhariwala, who is our orthopedic and joint replacement surgeon. Sir, welcome.
Thank you.
Sir, this is a special episode where I'll be talking more about joint replacement, knee arthritis, and robotic surgery. So nowadays, everybody in my family, the elderly people, even me, we are suffering from knee pain and knee arthritis. Why is this epidemic so much in India? What is the reason, sir? What is the change that has happened that it has increased in a big way, sir?
Arthritis is basically the joint. For example, the knee joint. It has cartilage. Cartilage is a smooth tissue which reduces the friction and allows the joint to move smoothly. Now, damage to this cartilage results in arthritis, typically causing symptoms like pain, difficulty in walking or walking with a limp, and deformity. The leg alignment is disturbed. So, arthritis definitely अभी बहुत ही ज़्यादा कॉमन हो गया है, ज़्यादा लोगों में दिख रहा है.
Epidemic हो गया है. ये क्या?
It is an epidemic. This is because of multiple factors. Arthritis is it runs in families. There is a genetic component. And हमने देखा है कि every succeeding generation में वो earlier age पे दिखता है. That is one reason. Second reason is lifestyle. लाइफस्टाइल आज का बहुत ही सिडेंटरी हो गया है. होम टू ऑफिस, ऑफिस टू होम, एलिवेटर, देयर इज नो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. दिन भर ऑफिस में आदमी बैठा रहता है. सो द मसल्स हैव बिकम वीक. देयर इज पीपल आर नॉट एक्सरसाइजिंग. सो उसकी वजह से the weak muscles don't protect the joint, and that leads to early wear and tear and damage. Obesity is a contributing factor for similar reasons. There is a lot of weight on the knee joint, and उसकी वजह से the knee gets damaged early. Trauma, fractures, road traffic accidents. So patients get injuries or fractures near the knee joint, which damages the joint. And that also adds to the knee arthritis. So because of all this, knee arthritis has become very common, and lot of people are suffering.
And it's like arthritis is not only of the knee. Every joint can face arthritis. Like it's not just a knee arthritis. It can be
true. Every joint can face arthritis. Some inflammatory arthritis like rheumatoid arthritis affect all the joints, but ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस और द वेयर एंड टेयर आर्थराइटिस वो घुटनों में दिखता है, एंकल, शोल्डर में दिखता है, हिप जॉइंट्स, लोअर बैक.
So these are the common joints that face arthritis. So sir, if any patient is having arthritis, so then what is the medical management and when is surgical intervention actually required for arthritis, knee arthritis or any other arthritis?
So this is very crucial. Arthritis का नाम सुन के सब पेशेंट्स डर जाते हैं. उनको लगता है कि अभी डॉक्टर सर्जरी बोलेगा. बट लकीली ऑस्टियोआर्थराइटिस इज अ स्लो डिजीज. वो डिटीरियोरेट होने में काफ़ी टाइम लगता है. वो अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है. काफ़ी पेशेंट्स को मैंने देखा है कि एक स्टेज के बाद वो आर्थराइटिस बढ़ता नहीं है और वो सालों तक वो जॉइंट वैसा ही रहता है और उनको कोई सर्जरी की ज़रूरत नहीं है. एट द सेम टाइम सिंपल ट्रीटमेंट्स वर्क वेरी वेल. इफ पेशेंट हैज़ आर्थराइटिस, इफ ही एक्सरसाइजेस, if he makes those leg muscles strong, that goes a long way in protecting the joint and reducing the rate of deterioration. Losing weight, that also works. I remember one patient of mine who was morbidly obese, बहुत ही मोटी थी और she had both knees damaged and needed a knee replacement. So she told me कि I am going to undergo bariatric surgery, that is a weight loss surgery, and then we'll do the knee replacement. I said that's fine. And and then I never saw her again. After 6 months, I met her in the hospital. Initially, I couldn't recognize her because she had lost 30-40 kilos. And then I asked her, okay, now you're looking good, you've lost your weight. What about the knees? So she said that after I lost this much weight, my knee pain has disappeared.
Okay.
So that just goes to show that obesity plays a very important role, and just losing weight can make such a difference in the pain and suffering, and patients can avoid surgery.
So मैं तो कहूँगी कि सर्जरी, आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड ऑफ सर्जरी. आई हैव हैड अ सर्जरी ड्यू टू एन एक्सीडेंट. सो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है सर्जरी से. तो अगर आप, इफ यू आर सेइंग दैट इट्स मेडिकल मैनेजमेंट दैट विल हेल्प फर्स्ट एंड सर्जरी एक्चुअली शुड बी द लास्ट ऑप्शन.
Yes, surgery is the last option. Typically, surgery is recommended when activities of daily living are affected.
Quality of life.
Quality of life, basic functions like
Okay.
walking short distances. मुझे रात को उठ के बाथरूम में जाने में तकलीफ होती है. When the deformity is significant,
Okay.
पैर टेढ़े हो गए, चलने का gait, the style of walking has changed. Patients are walking with a limp. They're walking very slow. They cannot walk fast. They're using a stick for support. Those are the patients typically that require a knee replacement or a surgery.
So you decide whether there is a medical management that is needed or a surgical intervention. But
Actually, the patient decides.
okay.
The patient is the person who is suffering, and usually we say that the patient earns the knee replacement rather than the doctor deciding. It's when the patient is suffering too much, the pain is too much, the morbidity or the suffering due to knee arthritis has become so much that he cannot live a normal life. Then the patient is a good candidate for knee replacement.
Okay. So, okay. Now we come to whether the decision is for medical or surgical. But मैंने ना बहुत कुछ सुना है सर, unproven है, proven है, I don't know, कि people advertise on various advertising platforms कि अरे ये बेल्ट है, ये यूज़ हो जाएगी, ये तेल लगाओ, या कोई तो मैग्नेट है. मतलब मेरी भी आंटीज वगैरह बोलती है कि अरे रूपा, ये हमने सुना है कि ये मैग्नेटिक बेल्ट है, इससे हमारा नी जो जॉइंट पेन है कम हो जाएगा. और बहुत सारी ऐसी ट्रीटमेंट्स है. आई डोंट नो वेदर दे आर रियल, बोगस. तो इसके बारे में कैन यू थ्रो सम लाइट सर?
So what you said was very correct. Unproven. I will say that they have been proven to not work.
ओके.
So ये सब बहुत नया नहीं है, बहुत पुराना है. कैसा होता है कि पेशेंट्स डरे हुए रहते हैं, उनको सर्जरी करना नहीं है, वो सर्जरी से घबराते हैं. तो this fact of this fear, the people take advantage of this fear. They know that these patients are desperate. They will do anything to avoid surgery and look for a non-surgical alternative to relieve their pain. So these unproven, disproven therapies are then marketed very aggressively, and they are not free or they are not cheap. The patient ends up spending a lot of money on this therapy in the hope that it will give relief, and usually the relief unfortunately is only for a few days or at the most for a few weeks. So the patient ends up spending a lot of money and there is no permanent cure. So I strongly recommend against these unproven treatments. Better you go to a qualified orthopedic surgeon and do simple things like simple mild medicine, exercise, weight reduction. That will go a long way in delaying your surgery and giving you relief of pain rather than waste money on these unproven treatments.
सर, वेस्ट मनी तो एक बात है, दूसरी बात क्या ये और भी डैमेज कर सकते हैं? आई मीन वी डोंट नो कि उनके साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं.
जी, some treatments like excessive harsh manipulations, some other treatments like very strong local application of chemical oil, these could definitely do more harm than good.
Okay. So you would recommend that we go to a proper orthopedic surgeon and we have Dr. Dhariwala available at Inamdar Hospital. You'll find the number also down in the scroll, that where you can approach him with all the problems, whether medical management, surgical intervention required, we can do that. सर अभी मैं आपको एक ऐसी टॉपिक के बारे में पूछूंगी जो बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है आजकल, और आपने रोबोट, सो यू टॉक्ड अबाउट जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट. तो आपको पता है अभी रोबोट चल के आता है और जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट करता है, या आप रोबोट बनते हो. सो ये जो ट्रेंडिंग है कि रोबोटिक जॉइंट रिप्लेसमेंट, तो इसके बारे में क्या कहना है? बिकॉज अभी हर जगह पे यही बात होती है कि मैंने मेरी नी रोबोट से रिप्लेस कराई. तो आपका, डॉक्टर धड़ीवाल का क्या रोल है इसमें, और हाउ ट्रेंडिंग इज दिस, और इज इट जस्ट लाइक अ फैड? आई मीन, आई वांट यू टू actually talk about robotic joint replacement and its requirement.
So the robotics in joint replacement is an amazing technology. The robot is able to see beyond what we can see with the human eye. So like for example, the center of the hip joint, which is so crucial in deciding the alignment of the leg. तो रोबोट वो देख पाता है. रोबोट is able to give us a plan which is individualized to that patient. A plan which so knee replacement में we cut the bone to make space for the new joint. The bone is cut at a particular angle, at a particular rotation, and in thickness. 8 mm, 9 mm thickness of bone is removed. Now the robot will make a plan with the angle and the thickness up to 1 degree angle and up to 1 mm thickness.
Okay, that's great.
And the robot will show us before we do the surgery how the knee will move, how the leg will align, how the knee will balance, even before we have done anything. And then we can tweak. We can tweak the degrees, we can tweak the quantity of bone removed to perfectly align the leg and perfectly balance the knee. And the best part is that the robotic arm will execute this the cuts to the perfection, and eventually we will get a very predictable, perfect knee replacement at the end of it.
It's very precise.
It's very precise. It's very accurate.
Accurate, yeah. So what the human eye cannot see, the robot can see.
Yes.
But robot cannot. The but I want to know what you're going to say about the but.
The but is that see, the robot is a tool. It is a precise tool, and it is a wonderful tool. But just like an artist, if you give if you have a paintbrush that is very expensive, if you have all the fancy paints, but if the artist is not good, the painting is not going to be good. The paintbrush or the paint cannot make the painting good. So in the end, it is the surgeon. The surgeon has to use the tool. वो अगर वो टूल ठीक से यूज करता है, इंटेलिजेंटली यूज करता है, तो ही उसको बेनिफिट है, पेशेंट को बेनिफिट है, और तो ही रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा. So it is the surgeon who is using the robot. It is not like
vice versa.
Public perception is not that the robot is going to do everything and the surgeon is just going to stand, or he is going to sit in another console and play a video game and the robot is going to do everything. It is not like that. The robot is a tool which is just like any other tool. It is a more sophisticated tool. It is a better tool, and it can definitely help to get a fantastic result, provided the surgeon knows what he is doing and he knows how to use the tool.
So the thing is, ki robotic or non-robotic, it is you, the surgeon, who decides. Every patient may not require robotic.
Exactly. So there are some patients that there is a great advantage to use a robot. Like for example, if there are implants from previous surgeries around the knee, तो वो situation में manual instrumentation becomes very difficult to use. Those implants come in the way. In that is an ideal case where we will use a robotic so that we don't have to depend on manual instrumentation at all. Another example is when patient has a deformity in the thigh bone or the leg bone due to a previous fracture. पहले हड्डी टूटा था, गलत जुड़ गया है. So the alignment is disturbed not only because of knee but also because of this wrongly healed
aligned
bone.
bone.
So in these situations, again, manual instrumentation is fails. So the robot can align these knees much better than manual instrumentation. For these patients, I would definitely recommend going ahead with robotic surgery. But for routine cases, yeah, it is up to my discretion. It's not that we cannot do a good job with manual instrumentation.
So, sir, you're a trained robotic joint replacement surgeon.
Yes.
Yes. So, we do have robotic joint replacement at Inamdar Hospital.
Yes.
And sir is having a lot. So, you're more than, I think, 15 years of experience in this field.
Yes.
So, Dr.
I'll be
Dhaliwala,
reaching 20 years in next year.
next year, okay, more than 20 years of experience. In 27, 28, you'll be more than 20 years of experience. So, robotic is a trend. It's a good trend, and it is always supportive for joint replacement. That's what I want to say. But it's at the discretion of the orthopedic
Yes.
surgeon.
So I
Has
think
to-
the patients nowadays are looking for robot. I think they should look for a good surgeon.
surgeon.
That is more
And not
important.
vice versa.
Yeah. Look for a good surgeon, and everything will be sorted. Don't go looking for a robot.
So thank you, Dr. Dhaliwala, for the light that you have thrown on robotic and non-robotic, this trend that has come, and on knee arthritis, and how we can avoid getting knee arthritis, and then if we have it, and whom to approach, how to do it, and whether to go for robotic or non-robotic. So thank you so much for throwing light on this. Sir, any last few words?
So every knee arthritis doesn't need surgery.
Okay.
There are two things that we can do which are in our control to prevent surgery. One is reduction of weight, and second is exercise. When faced with surgery, look for a good surgeon. A surgeon may decide to use a robot. He may decide to do it manually. Whichever way, a good surgeon will do a good job, irrespective of which tool he is using.
Okay.
And in the end, robotics is great technology. It's a precise, it's a perfect tool, and it bodes well for a fantastic future for knee and hip replacement and orthopedics in general.